DDoS attacks come with many serious side effects. Most of the companies suffering from DDoS attacks lose 10,000 to 1 lakh. Many business damage reputations when customers lose confidence in the brand. If confidential customer data is lost through any DDoS attack, we may face challenges. The severity, the severity of this side effects some companies show down after the DDoS attack. It is to be noted that the last DDoS attacks lasted for 12 days. Cloud Security Service monitors that cloud to identify and prevent attacks. The cloud service providers protect, protect, protect cloud service users in real time. Threat to detect. Cloud computing detect advanced threats by using endpoint scanning for threats at the device level. Difference between cloud security and traditional IT security. Cloud security, traditional IT security. Cloud security, quick, scalable, efficient resource utilizations, use best cost, third-party data centers, reduce time to market, low upfront infrastructure. Traditional IT security, slow scaling, lower efficiency, higher cost, in-house data centers, longer time to market, high upfront costs. Top 7 advanced cloud security challenges. It becomes more challenging when adopting modern cloud approaches like automated cloud integration and continuous development methods. Distributed serverless architecture and short-term assets for tasks such as a service and containers.